Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful and simple crochet loop stitch headband. I really like this design because it uses a really beautiful stitch. It also can stretch so that it fits a lot of different head sizes, and it comes with this adjustable button option here so you can take that off completely, wear it without, but I personally like it with. There's a lot of versatility to this pattern. Hopefully you'll like making it as much as I did. Let's get started. In order to make this, you will need a button. This one is about 2 inches and with 2 buttonholes, so you can attach it right there. You will also need about 150 yards of paint box yarns, Simply Aran, in the shade Pansy Purple.
Starting with a 3.5mm E hook, you'll make a slip knot and then begin with a chain of 16. Turn and make a loop stitch in the second chain from your hook. A loop stitch is made as any normal single crochet stitch would be made, except for before yarning over to complete the stitch, you will first wrap the yarn around your finger to create a loop in the back. After you've made your loop stitch, wrap the loop around to the front so that it stays on the correct side of your work. Continue to make a loop stitch in each chain across. To start the next round, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch from your hook. Continue to single crochet in the back loops of each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn. Loop stitch into the back loop of the next stitch from your hook. Continue to loop stitch in the back loops of each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch from your hook and in each stitch across. Look to which size headband you'd want to make, and then continue to alternate between rounds of a loop stitch and rounds of a regular single crochet until you have the exact amount of rounds you'd need for your size. Once you've finished all of your rounds, you will now single crochet around the entire rectangle to make the clean edges. Chain 1 to start, and then single crochet along each of the edges to create the clean border. After you've completed your border, fold your rectangle so that your first row is aligned with your last row. Then, single crochet through both of these rows in order to join the two together and create the headband shape. Make sure you are crocheting them together with the wrong side of the headband facing outward so that when you turn it inside out to wear, you do not see the single crochet connecting point. Make a chain of 25 and then weave this through the button, tying a knot in order to secure it. To wear, wrap the button loop around the back of the headband and back up to the front, wrapping it around the button to secure. If you like this pattern, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll always be the first to know of any new tutorial releases. And leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Enjoy!